This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market close analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy. Currently, I am in a short position in Bitcoin. I actually have two positions. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here. I've given up being frustrated with the previous system I was using, and I'm now dropped down to a lower time frame and now trading specifically intraday setups. Those swing type setups that I was trading off the 60 and off the 15 minute, they just aren't working out for me. I'm not seeing the market in that way. I just cannot get in flow with the market. So now I started experimenting with the ICT Silver Bullet methodology and switched to it midday after trying to go long and then being tired and being frustrated and losing the little bit of money that was in the account. Now down to the fumes and seem to have found my rhythm or my flow here. So late to both of these positions because I wasn't incorporating the ICT time zones or the time windows for taking these positions. But the first position, actually, let's back up. I actually missed a position this morning. I didn't, since I wasn't trading this, I just back tested it for today, and I'll back test it some more here after the close here. But here, just setting the range to have a point of, or at least for right now, just having a point of reference for bias. But seeing here an overall downtrend and then seeing this buying come in, two fair value gaps being set here. Price action sells off and then trades back into this fair value gap. If I had placed a stop loss above here, taking a measured move of 190% of the range here, then this would have gotten me into the New York session. And then here in the New York session, this being, looking at this as being the overall trading range here, seeing some consolidation in this area. And then within the trading window, seeing this fair value gap set up, and this fair value gap set up here in the trading window, and then seeing price action trade back into the fair value gap here, set stop loss up here, and 190% of the 190% measured move of the Fibonacci range. And then here, price action trades back into this fair value gap, right in line with the current trade zone or trade window right now. So I missed this entry here because I was waiting to see if fair value gap formed within the window. But then after just going back and reviewing or at least the ICT shorter video on the Silver Bullet methodology, seeing that order blocks can be tapped into that have already been set just a little prior to the trading window. So seeing price action here, trade right back up into this fair value gap here, and then sell off. I was able to take an entry right here. So this position here was late based off of this Fibonacci range and this fair value gap, and then this trade here based off of this Fibonacci range, this fair value gap. I actually set my stop up here because the range was just too high. Since I missed this and took it down here, actually no, I put a really tight stop on this. I put my stop right here. You can see getting price to the sell side. This is the first time I've seen any displacement in a trade that I've been in probably a month. So I'm gonna do some more back testing and do some more forward testing here on this silver bullet methodology. I looked at it before and made it probably about halfway or so through the mentorship series, and then moved on. I believe I was looking at the 15-minute chart at the time and just wasn't seeing the fair value gaps. And then looking today, I didn't see all of the fair value gaps, but some will show on the 15-minute chart. But I believe the 5-minute is going to be my best bet for spotting these fair value gaps and being able to trade this particular trading methodology. But currently, so far so good here on these trades. Let's see, let's get a look at this higher one here. You can see my stop loss is here. I just set my stop loss above this high here, which is correlated with the fair value gap, and my entry was right here at this yellow line. And we'll have to go down to the daily to get a look at the profit taking. So the profit taking will be right here. You can see it's a sweep here on any sell side liquidity that's located down here. Anybody who would have gone long into this area are going to have sell stops down here, and this would trigger those sell stops for everyone who went long in this daily candle here, and the other position that's down here based on the close trading window. Entry here, stop loss as I mentioned, just above this candle here. And then profit target will come down here on the daily. And profit target is just a little bit lower than the previous profit target, but still targeting the sell side liquidity down here for anyone who would have gone long based on that candle. Now we're getting pullback here. Okay, so I like my stop, at least for now. If this comes back further, so also we have a market structure, or have a break of structure here. And price action pulling back here from this break of structure. I'm going to have a look at this on Fibonacci to see if this pulls back to at least 50%. 108, 081, 108, no. This doesn't pull back to 50 to the equilibrium, so to me this is now the new overall range here. Using this Fibonacci retracement to track the overall range as you get these types of price action movements here that retrace and then create a change in structure here, being a break of structure. But then if these are retested, they may be traded through. But using this as the true high of the range here currently. So that would leave my stop here in question as it's not protected by this stop. So this would have been the ideal stop here, but I did not set the Fibonacci and check the retracement level. So risky stop currently. But I'm going to put the range still at this level since this is pullback, but not enough pullback for me to adjust the overall range. But from a trading perspective, you would want to see this hold, but these double tops here tend to be rather flimsy, and I would imagine it would be violated either sooner or later. But seeing more sell potential here, as I mentioned, price action. My trade idea is based on a liquidity run on the sell side liquidity down here, but it seems like this may be getting pulled back up to test this breakdown level. So I may exit my second position just in profits here if this thing starts to turn around. 652, 655, so it's already put in a new 5-minute high here, and I think it may be just pulling back, so I may want to exit this position since my stop is pretty weak here, and then look for a potential re-entry. That's maybe what I want to do, because this is looking too risky right now. Even though it can look favorably here for a second or two, without the proper stop, I don't want to trade this. So what I'll do is I'll put a limit order out to see if price reaches back into this fair value gap and set my stop at the desired level. This is just way too likely to come back and test my weak stop, so I don't want to sit through that. I'll take the position off before I want to sit through that. Okay, and it may not be an issue at all, but it would be silly to sit in that with all of my trading, let's say, all the information that I'm getting from this trade telling me that an exit would be most appropriate there. The high of this candle at the low of the fair value gap is 108.36.7, so I'm going to set a limit entry for that, 108.36.7. 830, 108.36.7. Okay. And maybe this will be reached, maybe not. Alright. Let's see what happens here. Because ideally I want to be setting limit orders into these fair value gaps. So this price action here came up into this fair value gap before breaking down. That would have been ideal here, taking this entry here at this pullback. But as I mentioned, I just switched over to this trading methodology here this afternoon, so wasn't as prepared as I would like to be here. So now we'll see if price action makes it back up into this area to likely sweep out this double top here, or price just may be done after this amount of displacement and may decide to just sell off here. But just too risky of a position for me with my stop loss being where it was. Just be too easy for my stop to be hunted down here, especially where I would anticipate pullback. As you can see, price still pulling back here. So I anticipate further selling here, looking at the price action here from the London session here into New York open and New York close here. Yeah, so this would be London open, New York open, and New York close here. So selling overall today, these orange lines here being the Asian range, but I don't think I'll need that for this system. Alright, I'll keep an eye on the trade that I currently have going. Teeny tiny profit on the exit I took just now, and we'll see if price action retraces back into this fair value gap for appropriate entry. We'll see if the stop holds here or what we have going on, but I would imagine this double top area is going to be challenged here. Alright, well, this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto